Hey there, financial adventurers. Welcome back to the Financial Guide channel. We're about to plunge into an exciting and crucial topic, the Great Piggy Bank Robbery Fund Saving Strategies. Imagine being a detective, unearthing extraordinary methods to save money while having a barrel of laughs. So, it's time to don your detective hats as we prepare to explore the thrilling world of fund savings. So, grab your detective hats because we're about to uncover some awesome ways to save money and have a blast while doing it. Ever played hide and seek? Well, it's time to play it with your money. Welcome to the sneaky sneak method, where the fun is all about outsmarting the piggy bank. Picture this: you've got a handful of cash that you're looking to save. Instead of the traditional piggy bank, you turn saving into a thrilling game of hide and seek. Find unique stash spots around your living space. Maybe it's under your bed or inside an old sock. Perhaps it's in the back of your closet or even in a forgotten jacket pocket. The key here is creativity. Think like a ninja, moving stealthily, hiding in the shadows. Each time you find a new hiding spot for your money, it's like a tiny victory. You're not just saving, you're having fun while doing it. And the best part? Your money will be safe from any piggy bank burglars. Saving can be a game, folks. Think about it. We all love a little friendly competition, right? It's time to transform your savings journey into an exciting challenge. Here's how. Set a weekly savings goal, something that will push you but is still achievable. Keep track of your progress, and here's the fun part. Invite your friends to join in. Create a leaderboard, add a dash of suspense, and voila! You've turned saving money into a thrilling competition. Every week, toss a few extra bills into your savings and watch as your score climbs higher. The person who saves the most gets the champion title and maybe a small reward. How about that? You're not just saving money, you're also having a blast while doing it. It's a win-win situation. So what do you say? Are you ready to become the challenge champion? Are you up for the challenge? Get your DIY on. Embrace your creative spirit and turn saving into an art project. Craft your own savings jar or box. Personalize it with glitter, stickers, or anything that screams you. Every time you drop in some cash, it's like adding a shiny new treasure to your collection. Who knew saving could be this artsy, right? But why stop there? Saving money doesn't have to be a solo mission. Invite your friends and throw a piggy bank party. Yes, you heard it right, a party. Everyone chips in, plays games, and watches as their savings grow together. It's not just about stashing away cash, it's about creating memories and bonding over shared goals. Plus, it's a blast. So whether you're a crafty DIY dreamer or a social butterfly, there's a fun saving strategy out there for you. Remember, when it comes to saving, the more the merrier, right? Well, there you have it, folks. We've unveiled the secret to making saving money fun, from the sneaky sneak method to becoming a challenge champion, crafting as a DIY dreamer, and hosting a piggy bank party. Choose your adventure and dive right in. Don't forget to share your experiences and other money-saving hacks in the comments.